Hi there again, it's Charmaine coming to you with another Amazon pick for your workouts. This is great. This is the Amazon Basics High Density Foam Roller, 36 inches. So I'm 5'4", it's 36 inches. And what's great about it is it's solid. You don't have to worry about it breaking. And trust me, I will admit that there was a foam roller that I used that I was doing my foam rolling out my hamstrings and it split. But you don't have to worry about that. It's very sturdy. You can see it's solid and it works wonders. So with this length, it's good because you can do your, as I said, you can sit on it, you can roll out your buttocks, your hamstrings, your calves, flip over, do your front of your thighs, so your quads, do your, gently do your shins. You don't want to ever roll over something that is bone. But I recommend this. Why? Because it's sturdy, it's durable. I've had this actually for a couple of years now, and I think it's great, and it works perfectly. Thumbs up.